What's worth fighting for? How about conflict? Conflict is a natural part of life. The issue with conflict is that no one taught us how to do conflict. Not our parents, and the truth is, they may not have even been good models of it because no one taught them. You never had a class in school on how to manage conflict or how to resolve conflict and how you work things out. We never had classes on how to restore a broken relationship. And yet, this is one of the most important skills in your happiness in life. But since you will be joining us on July the 17th, you picked a great time to join the 3-1 Health and Wellness seminars. And I highly recommend you take notes because what you're going to learn is what is conflict, how we respond to conflict. We're even going to look at the neurosciences of conflict, how our brains work when we're under conflict. And then I'll give you some tips on managing conflict. You may not need it now, but you will need it in the future for you to pass it on to your friends, your coworkers, your children, so that they will have the skills to deal with conflict in a healthy way. Come learn with us.